Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your mid-October general and the current person on your mind reading. So again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong pa pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, meron tayong cord cutting. So, ito yung sa cord cut natin. Meron din tayo for money and love. Pwede yan sa lalaki. Okay? Kahit anong gender. Ilagay mo lang sa red pouch. Pwede yan kung hindi mo siya maisusuot. And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, yung tagapag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. No downtime kung wala pong blockages. Okay? Ang tagatanggal ng blockages is itong ating cord cut. Okay? And syempre, meron tayo patungkol sa mga protection from evil eye. Okay? So, let's start the reading. Scorpio placement. What's for you? This mid-October. In general. In general. For Scorpio placements. In general. Okay. The Knight of Swords in reversed. Temperance. Okay. May pagmamadali ako nakikita dito. Pagmamadali. So, anong meron? A Devil in reversed. 7 of Swords in reversed. Okay, sandali lang po, sandali lang. Okay, so yung ba sa inyo, The Devil in reversed. Okay. Pwede kasing sabihin nating SEX, specifically an SEX na pwedeng no label. Okay? One night stand with somebody, could be a Capricorn, an air sign, or a Sagittarius. Okay? Be careful kasi dito yung energy na parang walang inaalala. Parang ganyan. What else? The Chariot. 9 of Swords. Page of Swords. Okay, this is sa lahat po ng gagawin nyo this mid-October. Schedules man yan. May mga notes na kayo. Okay? Mas maganda i-check nyo. I'm hearing overlapping. Andyan yung buhol-buhol na schedules. Okay? Pwedeng, ang tawag dyan, may mga malilimutan. Okay? So, yeah, mas maganda double check kung anong kailangan i-double check. Some of you, if you have travel, okay, this mid-October, mas maganda po bago umalis ng bahay, double check lahat kung anong kailangan i-double check. Pagdating sa bahay. Para iwas stress na rin. Okay? Iba sa inyo sinasabihang mag-travel or umalis-alis pagdating sa kung anumang cycle or routine ninyo. Okay? Para maalis yung stress. Maalis yung parang tamad. Parang ganyang energy. So, what else? Okay. 6 of Swords. Some of you po meron dito talagang parang biglaan na pag-alis. Biglaang travel. Okay? Yeah, King of Swords. Oh, some of you makakuha po ng visa. This is specific. Visa. Okay? I'm hearing new strategies in general, bagong strategy. Okay? Mga bagong pag-aaralan, mga bagong papasukin, mga ganyan. Okay? This mid-October. Meron pong makakapasa. Recognition. I'm hearing recognition. Proposals, promotions for some of you this mid-October. Okay? So, there. So, next. Yung ating Yeah, the current person on your mind. Let's see. The current person ng mga Scorpios. Who is this? The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So, merong commitments dito. Some of you, merong codependency. Page of Wands in reverse. Gusto mo ng atensyon ng taong to. Gusto mo ng atensyon niya. Andun yung energy na parang kine-crave mo na itong person na to. Could be younger. Yeah. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay, the Six of Swords. And the Four of Swords. Oh! This is 10 of Swords in total. There could be changes. Pwede may mga mababago. Okay? Yeah, the Devil in reverse. At mas maganda, this is like an advice. May mga dapat baguhin pagdating po sa kung anong situation meron kayo nitong taong to. Okay? If there's imbalance, because yes, I'm seeing imbalance here. Okay? May Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Pwedeng may codependency. Okay? May Page of Wands pa. Sabihin natin pwedeng mayroon kang mga nagagawa sa taong to. Okay? Pero sa mga ginagawa mo, may mga naliligtangan ka pagdating sa sarili mo. May mga naipapalampas ka pagdating sa sarili mo, pero pagdating sa kanya, bawal. Or dapat lagi kang on the go for them. Okay, so kailangan ng pagbabago dito. Mas maganda po, isip-isip muna. Kung ito'y bago pa lang, mas maganda, isip-isip muna. Okay, I'm hearing break. Taking a break from the person, from the connection. Okay? So, yeah, wala namang mawawala. Makikita mo rin naman kung anong meron talaga pagdating doon sa person kapag ginawa mo yun. Okay, stepping back. Stepping back from the person maybe or from the connection. Okay? So, next. Sino pa for Scorpio placements? Sino pa ito? Scorpio, who is this? The Hermit, could be a Virgo. Pwedeng ginose ka. And the Queen of Swords in reverse. Takot ito na umami ng pagkakamali. Some of you, meron po kayong arguments. Hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon. No contact. Yung iba sa inyo. Tawag dyan? Sobrang tahimik. Okay, tahimik, may galit itong taong to. Pwedeng may galit siya sa'yo or ikaw yung may galit sa kanya kasi hindi siya nagpaparamdam or what. Mga ganyang bagay. So, let's see anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Scorpio. We have here Libra and Virgo. Could be any sign anyway. So, let's see. The Eight of Pentacles and Page of Swords in reverse. So, it's like, ito po ha, kung ano daw yung action na pinapakita sa'yo, yun na daw po yung sagot. Okay? If the person is not responding, then that's a reply. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, the Star. Okay. So, meron kang gustong mangyari. Okay, meron kang gustong mangyaring action, development, progress. Pero ang nakuha ko dito is the Page of Swords in reverse. Yeah, Page of Swords in reverse, energy niya is like, dapat meron ka nang nakikita eh. Hindi mo dapat ibinabaling lang sa kung anong gusto mong makita. Okay, sa kung anong gusto mong mangyari, sa kung anong gusto mong marinig, maramdaman. Naibabaling mo yung dapat nakikita mo doon sa gusto mo lang eh. Okay, meaning to say, meron ditong hindi nag-workout. Meron ditong hindi nag-workout. Some of you, yes, meron pa rin nag-i-stock dito. Yeah, meron no contact dito, pero actually, merong nag-i-stock pa rin. Yeah, could be you. You're watching. You're listening. Tinitingnan mo rin kung anong meron sa energy ng person. So, yes, that's another way of stalking. Okay, hindi lang po sa FB. Opo. Okay, meron ditong nag-iisip na makipag-communicate, pero magdalawang isip ka muna bago ka makipag-communicate. Ano bang dahilan? Ano bang intention mo? Okay? Pero dapat lahat ng pwedeng mangyari is handa ka. Okay? So, there. Next. Scorpio. What else? Who else? The current person na nasa isip mo ngayon. Sino ito? Sino ito? Scorpio. The Seven of Cups. Oh, they have options. May mga option tong taong to. Pwedeng hindi lang ikaw ang kakonect. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. The non-committal. The non-committal also could be a water sign and an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so yeah, the Three of Cups. Iba sa kanila pwedeng friendly. Pero yung pagiging friendly niya is walang limit. Walang boundaries. Even though, yeah, sabihin nating magkarelasyon kayo pero hindi siya marunong magbigay ng boundaries. Nakikipag landian kung kani-kanino, kahit sabihan mo. Yan, okay? So, let's see anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong ito. Some of them, they're attractive. Babae, lalaki ko naman ng gender niya, attractive tong taong to. Hindi mo para sa lahat, pero some of them, may ganun na katangian. Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang meron pagdating sa kung anong kailangan mong malaman. Na Hierophant and the Page of Wands. Okay, the Eight of Swords in reversed, the Three of Cups again. Okay, so kung kayo nitong taong to is hindi pa magkarelasyon, okay, may chance itong taong to na magbigay na po ng sign pagdating sa connection ninyo na pwedeng i-level up. Okay? Na pwedeng i-level up, 'di ba? So kung kayo naman na nitong taong to, talagang hindi pa rin po nandyan pa rin yung connection, yung relationship ninyo, pero still nitong taong ito is tumitingin pa rin sa iba. Some of you masyado kang silent. Hindi alam nung tao na nakakagawa na siya ng hindi mo gusto. You need to address the issue. Some of you. Okay? Pero kung ikaw itong nagsasabi na sa kanya ng ganito, malito, ayoko ng ganito, then the person, sabihin nating immature. Okay? You have to know. Yeah. Friendly lang po kasi siya. Pero, nararamdaman ba ng taong to kung anong nararamdaman mo? Yun dapat ang importante. Yun dan dapat yung focus, or sabihin nating iniisip ng tao bago siya gumawa ng kung ano man. Kung hindi yun mahalaga sa kanya, then anong meron? Okay? So, there. Okay, so tungo na tayo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And kung meron pong mga tanong, just message me. Okay, so there. Tanong sa, tawag dyan, sa love read, sa reading, okay, sa private reading, and sa ating mga charms. Okay, protection from evil eye. Message na lang po. Okay. Oops, oh my gosh. So, let's see. Okay. Aries. They're walking away, distancing. Taurus, they're hanging, giving you pendings, delays. Gemini. Okay, so hindi na ganun ka strong kung anong meron sa inyo. This is like hindi na mutual. So, Cancer, they're moving on. Leo, this is selfishness, I'm seeing from this Leo. Virgo, they want to commit. Okay, Libra, ayaw na niya nang isipin ni Libra. Scorpio, this is having guarded. Being guarded, being grounded, I think, because some of them they're like moving on. Okay, parang pang sarili muna, self-centered muna yung person. So Sagittarius, I'm hearing a second chance with a Sag. So Capricorn, they're not open to you emotionally. Okay, Aquarius, they have trust issues. They don't trust you, or maybe you don't need to trust an Aquarius. Pisces, no progress, no actions. Could be tawag dito, blockages in general. Okay, so let's see. Doon naman tayo sa ating charm reading. So, ikaw na po bahala kung paano mo i-connect yung sarili mo sa ating mga makukuha. Okay? Kung naka-resonate ka sa reading, so ito yung parang sign na talagang para sa'yo. Yung reading, mas parang magpapatibay. Okay? Kung makaka-connect ka dito. Kung hindi naman, okay lang din naman. Okay? So, for Scorpio, 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 okay. So, meron tayong Tree of Life, a rabbit, shell, a rocking horse, flower, could be a daisy, another flower, a shell, meron ditong nakalagay, I love music. Pwedeng merong sa inyo mahilig sa music, mahilig kumanta, mga ganyan, something. Okay? So, a shell again. Snowman. A dog. A ribbon. White ribbon. Heart. An evil eye. Evil eye protection. Okay. So, 4-leaf clover. A 4-leaf clover and a letter N. Okay, so there could be your name, your person's name. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating isang YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung ating love letter. Again, thank you. Goodbye.